Hello. Welcome to this comprehensive study guide on preparing for Product Owner certification. Today, we are going to explore the path to becoming a certified product owner. We will focus on popular certifications like the Certified Scrum Product Owner, abbreviated as CSPO, the Professional Scrum Product Owner, abbreviated as PSPO, and other available product owner certifications. Let us define what a product owner really is. A product owner maximizes product value by managing the product backlog. The product owner serves as a bridge between stakeholders and the development team, ensuring everyone is aligned. The product owner is responsible for the return on investment, also known as ROI, and overall product vision, steering the product towards success. The product owner sets priorities and makes critical business decisions to guide the product's direction. Here is a comparison of popular product owner certifications. First, let's look at the Certified Scrum Product Owner, abbreviated as CSPO, offered by the Scrum Alliance. A CSPO does not require a formal exam. It involves a 2-day in-person training course, and it is valid for 2 years, requiring Scrum Education Units or SEUs for renewal. The cost ranges from $995 to $1,395 Next, we have the Professional Scrum Product Owner Level 1, abbreviated as PSPO 1 from Scrum.org. This certification requires an online assessment with a passing score of 85%, and it never expires. The exam costs $200. No renewal is needed. Finally, let's consider the Project Management Institute Professional in Business Analysis, abbreviated as PMI-PBA. This certification requires a formal exam and has experience requirements. It is valid for 3 years, with renewal requiring Professional Development Units, or PDUs. The cost ranges from $405 to $555. Let's explore the key focus areas for the Certified Scrum Product Owner Certification exam preparation. These include Product Backlog Management, which involves creating, refining, and prioritizing the product backlog to maximize value delivery. Keywords include refinement and prioritization. Another key area is product vision, which involves establishing and communicating a clear, compelling vision for the product. Keywords include road mapping and strategy. The third key area is stakeholder management, which involves engaging with stakeholders to gather requirements and manage expectations. Keywords include communication and collaboration. The fourth key area is value maximization, which involves ensuring the product delivers maximum business value and return on investment, also known as ROI. Keywords include return on investment and metrics. Another key area is the Scrum framework, which involves understanding the Scrum framework and the product owner's role within it. Keywords include events and artifacts. Finally, release planning involves planning and managing product releases to deliver value incrementally. Keywords include forecasting and increments. Let's dive into the structure of the Professional Scrum Product Owner, or PSPO certification exam. The exam format consists of 80 multiple choice, multiple answer, and true or false questions. You will have 60 minutes to complete the assessment, and a passing score of 85%, which is 68 out of 80 questions correct, is required. The exam is delivered online on demand and is an open book exam. The certification is valid for a lifetime with no renewal required. The exam content distribution focuses on 4 key areas: product value, which makes up 40% of the exam, product backlog management, which is 30%, stakeholder management, which is 20%, and the Scrum framework, which is 10%. Here are a few preparation tips. Study the Scrum Guide thoroughly, take the open assessments on Scrum.org, and focus on value maximization concepts. Now, let's talk about essential study resources for Product Owner certification preparation. There are 3 main categories: official guides, online resources, and books and courses. Official guides include the Scrum Guide, the definitive source for the Scrum framework, the Scrum.org Learning Path for structured learning for PSPO certification, the Scrum Alliance Handbook, which is a comprehensive guide for CSPO preparation, and the PMI Business Analysis Guide, a reference for PMI PBA certification. Online resources include Scrum.org Open Assessments, which are free practice tests for PSPO preparation, Mountain Goat Software, which has blog articles and resources by Mike Cohn, Scrum Alliance webinars, which offers expert sessions on product ownership, and product owner forums for community discussions and knowledge sharing. Books and courses include Agile Product Ownership by Roman Pichler, which covers essential concepts, User Story Mapping by Jeff Patton, which focuses on backlog management, professional training, which are official CSPO and PSPO preparation courses, and online learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning. Here are the Product Backlog Management principles. Ensure the backlog is visible, accessible, and understood by all stakeholders, which ensures transparency. Value-based prioritization means order items based on business value, risk, dependencies, and size. Regularly review, detail, and adjust backlog items as more is learned, which is continuous refinement. Break down larger items into smaller, actionable pieces as they approach implementation, which is right-sized items. While the product owner is accountable, backlog refinement is a team activity, which is collaborative ownership. The product backlog refinement funnel starts with ideas and market opportunities, which flows into product backlog items. This gets refined and estimated. This is followed by items ready for sprint and finally delivered value. Let us learn about stakeholder management for product owners. The power or interest matrix is a useful tool. Stakeholders with high power and high interest should be managed closely. Those with high power and low interest should be kept satisfied. Stakeholders with low power and high interest should be kept informed, and those with low power and low interest should be monitored. Effective engagement strategies include transparent communication, which provides regular updates on product progress and roadmap, expectation management, which aligns on priorities and delivery timelines, value demonstration, which shows progress and business impact regularly, and feedback loops, which creates channels for continuous input. Let's explore some effective exam preparation strategies. Focus on understanding the fundamental principles rather than memorizing, which is master the core concepts. Take multiple practice tests to familiarize yourself with question formats, which is practice regularly. Collaborate with peers to discuss concepts and share insights by joining study groups. Connect theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios by applying knowledge practically. Practice answering questions within time constraints to build speed, which is time management. Here is an 8-week study plan. In weeks 1 and 2, focus on the foundation by reading the Scrum Guide thoroughly and studying core product owner responsibilities. In weeks 3 and 4, take a deep dive by focusing on value creation and backlog management, and study stakeholder engagement techniques. In weeks 5 and 6, practice by taking practice assessments regularly, and review incorrect answers in weak areas. In weeks 7 and 8, engage in final preparation, including full-length mock exams under timed conditions, and a final review of challenging concepts. What are the next steps after you obtain your certification? First is continuous learning. Expand your knowledge and stay current with evolving product management practices. Pursue advanced certifications, join product management communities, and attend workshops and conferences. Practical application is next. Apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios to gain experience and credibility. Implement best practices in your role, measure and showcase your impact, and experiment with new techniques. Finally, community engagement means connecting with other professionals to share experiences and learn from each other. Mentor aspiring product owners, share your insights through blogs, and participate in product forums. Thank you for joining us on this certification journey. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.